How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this channel and today's video. My name is TJ, and on my channel you can find topics related to affiliate marketing, digital marketing strategies, and entrepreneurship in general. Today's topic is related to Facebook and running Facebook ads and strategies on how not to get banned on Facebook. It's really hard for affiliate marketers to run ads on Facebook, and eventually your account will be disabled. I have experienced that in the past. A lot of my ads were rejected, and eventually my account was shut down. I tried to get my account back a couple of times, and I have still been doing that for months, but I didn't have any luck getting my Facebook account back. So everything, my page and everything that was connected to it, I have access to it, but I cannot run any ads on it. It's really hard to get your ads approved, and even if you get approved, they might get disapproved after a day, after a week, after a month. So you're not safe. Today, I just want to give you a couple of pointers and a couple of tips on how your account can be in good standing. After my first account, Business Manager, and my page was disabled, I created a new page, a new Facebook page, and I created a new Facebook Manager account. And so far, so good. For the last month, I have been very successful on Facebook, and all of my ads are actually have above average quality ranking. And leads that I'm getting are, the cost per lead is very, very good. It's very low. So I'm happy with that. And that's why I want to help you guys. If you're in affiliate marketing business, if you want to start on Facebook and get some sales, I might help you with this. So when I created a new account, I approached this Facebook experience very seriously. And I was very conservative with everything. And it took me some time to actually get started with running conversions campaign. So once I created the account, I waited more than a month to actually get started with running ads. Just because I didn't want to run any fouls with Facebook, and I didn't want to get banned again. Here are some pointers or strategies that I've used to get the results that I'm having today. If you're starting on Facebook and if you want to run ads on Facebook, you first need to create a page. I believe you probably know what the page is, and you actually need it to get started with Facebook advertising. Some of the good examples of Facebook pages are Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Adobe, and Zappos. So you should go ahead and take a look at those pages to see what actually qualifies as a successful page. Of course, your page won't be great in the beginning, but still you should have high quality pictures, cover photos, and have all of these tabs, such as home, posts, videos, photos, filled out, and about me section also has to be filled out. You should fill all of this out just because you should look as you are a real person, and that your business is real. So do not leave anything blank. Of course, you cannot fill everything out, but try to provide as much information as you can. The second thing before you start with Facebook advertising is that if you created a new page, you should start posting every day. So if you're not sure what to post about, you can always, copy some inspirational quotes, then post some kind of photos, share articles that you find. You can find articles with Business Insider or something like that. Something that is related to your industry, your business, and your niche. This only shows, posting every day shows to Facebook that you're engaging and that you're here and that you're active on Facebook. So before you do anything, just warm up your account and your page. The next thing is that you should think about is that when you create and when you're ready to actually start running ads, you should create 2 business managers up front. And then after you create those business managers, you should create an ad account for each business manager. Later, when your account is in good standing, you can add more ad accounts, but it will not happen immediately. So once your account is in good standing, then you will be able to add multiple ad accounts for each business manager. Some of the rules that you need to worry about here is that you should have 1 pixel per ad account and you should have 1 pixel per website. What does it mean? It means that especially if you're running and if you're an affiliate marketing business, that you will have multiple offers that you want to promote. And then what will happen is that you will have 1 business manager, you will have 1 ad account, and then you will try to put multiple ads for different companies under that ad account. And this won't work because all of your pixel will get mixed up and you will eventually, your ads will get disapproved. That's why you should worry is that you should have only 1 pixel per ad account and 1 pixel per website. So you should treat each new ad account as a new pixel to pair with a new website. And you need a separate Facebook pixel for each website. That's what you should worry about. One thing here, when you create those business managers, Facebook will offer you to connect your page that you created before with your business manager. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I've done it in the past, and what happened is that once my business manager was banned, page was connected to it and I was flagged. If it shows that if one of your business manager gets flagged, if your page is not connected, then you will be able to use that page later again. The next thing that you should do before you start running any other campaigns on Facebook is to run likes campaign. What does this mean? It means that your Facebook page has to have some kind of engagement with other people. Other people have to like your page. When you create a page, you should share it with other people and they should like it, but also you can start running likes campaign in order to get more than 25 likes. And this likes campaign will show you how actually Facebook advertising works. It's very simple, it's very easy, and you won't get disapproved here. It's a very simple ad creation, and you just need to say, please like this page, I created it because of this and this. After you show some kind of engagement with that, then you can start running conversions campaign. Another tip on how to be safe on Facebook is to avoid certain keywords. When you create your ad, Facebook will check your landing page and your bridge page and everything that follows after that. So be careful what you put on your landing page and in your ad. Some of the keywords that you should avoid is passive income, a scam, financially secure, or business opportunity. Facebook will check that and it will say, oh, okay, so you're running something else. It's false advertising. It's a multi-level marketing, and eventually all of your ads will be disapproved. Try to create some kind of a story when you're creating an ad. Try to be as human as possible, meaning that use your own words and avoid those keywords that just screams, affiliate marketing or something else. So be careful what type of keywords you're using. I would definitely suggest going through the Facebook Blueprint course that teaches you how to run ads properly. These are some of my suggestions and strategies that I've used in order to run ads. But as I said before, I'm still not safe, and this doesn't mean that my ads won't get disapproved. You can always try this out and let me know how it goes. I hope you liked this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel by smashing that subscribe button below. Also, hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Take care.